So I'm going to install Angular, another third party really needed when you're working with the Angular. So that is available with the npm Node.js package manager. Npm stand for Node.js node package manager. So through that, I'm going to install one of a third party called CLI. CLI is a command line interface which we require in the Angular. So it is available inside this npm Node.js package manager. So for me to install that, I type in Windows. I'm in a Windows command line. I type npm install underscore g at angular slash CLI. So what is happening actually here? So I'm going to install CLI third party, CLI command line interface third party for Angular. That is the package. The admin, this is the package I'm going to install through npm. So npm including all these packages, a Node.js package manager including all these packages. From that I need the CLI, so I install that. So you see, the progress is going. Would you like to share anonymous user data with the Angular team at Google under the Google privacy policy? So they're asking that message a yes and presenter. Uh, okay, so then that is how to do that. Let's stop this.